Hello guys, welcome back to another pole lookbook. This time I got some really interesting polewear that I'm really excited to show you. So let's start! This polewear is from Blanc, and actually this is my second time buying from them. I decided to buy this for my pole profile. I really love this purple color and how it exposes my back. The top has an open cutout, which is really nice, but it actually is pretty sturdy, and I like the ruching on the top as well. The bottoms has the same ruching, but the back looks sheer, but trust me, it's not sheer, so you don't have to worry about showing. I remember buying it, I felt a little bit hesitant, but when I saw in person, I was like, okay. Doing pole in this outfit is actually really comfortable, and this is also one of my go-to sets as it looks very simple but elegant because of this purple color and the ruching. So this next look is from SL Sports. Even though it has a high neck, the back is very open. I love the crisscross straps, and the bottoms are very flattering as well. With the bottoms, you can have the straps high or you can bring them down low. Even though I have a lot of SL polewear, I can definitely deem this one as one of my favorites, as super comfortable and is very interesting compared to other things that they have. My next look is also from SL as well. This is their line top that comes in navy. Honestly, I was really hesitant with this one, but because they had a 50% sale, of course I had to get it because it was half the price. It looks very cute, but your breast can come out very easily, so you have to be very careful. I personally like the color and the style. The bottoms are very comfortable as well, but sometimes it's kind of confusing how to put them on where it looks flattering. This set is also from SL Polewear, and this is the Karin set. It comes in two colors, and I decided to go with the red. What's really nice about the top is that you can tie it in two different ways. You can tie it on the side, or you can pull up the strings and you can make another strap on the top. It has a nice high-waisted line, and it has a nice cutout on the side. But when doing inverted moves, you have to watch out because sometimes some things can slip out of the top. This set is a collab from Polecat with Spin Darling. So Polecat is a very famous artist, as you can see, is a cat doing many different pole tricks. This is actually not a matching set. I just thought these two pieces would complement each other very well. The bottoms are very comfortable, where it's not high rise or low rise, and it goes along well with other plain pole tops because you have those little fun bottoms to wear as well. The top I don't wear as often, but it is really cute. This is the Greta set from Leanomse. I really like how it has a very artistic look to it. If I did pole profile, this is something I would love to have in my closet because it looks like very professional. The straps you can have in two different ways, plain how I have them, or you can make it crossed. The bottoms are very flattering as well, and you have this tool piece where you have many different ways to tie. You can tie around your waist, or in the back, or around your leg. I love the ruching in the back because it just makes it look more interesting. It's offered in many different colors, but since I don't have any polewear in a grayish blue, that's why I decided to go along with this color. I really like the feel of the polewear, just sometimes the bottoms can be a little bit too cheeky, so I would just be aware of that. So this is red set from SOGNAEBY. I have this set actually in green. The fabric is a nice velvet fabric, very soft, and it's comfortable around the waist. It has a nice light layering on the side, so it kind of gets that Tinkerbell aspect, and it covers very well on the bottoms. The top has a nice V neckline, which I think is very flattering on me. This set is from Menuet, and this style is called Ember. I have actually never ordered from Menuet before, so this is a first for me. I really like this set because I don't have a design like this and I wanted something different. I love the different straps, and the bottoms are super comfortable. When I'm doing sports pole, this is my go-to set. But the size that would fit me well is medium, but sometimes I have to be very careful because the band isn't as tight as I think it should be, so there could be possible slippage. Okay, so that's all my Polewear. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and let me know in the comments down below which one is your favorite. And catch us on our next video. Who knows where we are going?